Today I'm going to show you how to run a security scan in Base44, step by step, in just a few moments. If you manage apps, projects, or workflows in Base44, this is a quick way to check for issues and see what needs attention. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Base44 project. Make sure you're inside the correct project before you start, because the security scan will check the project you currently have open. Once the project is loaded, look for the dashboard option and click it. This will take you to the main area where you can access the project tools and settings. From the dashboard, find and click on Security. This is where Base44 keeps the security-related options for your project. Once you're in the security section, look for the Run Security Scan button and click it. Base44 will begin scanning your project for potential issues. After the scan finishes, you'll see the issues that were found. Review the results carefully so you can understand what needs to be fixed or improved. That's the basic process. Open the project, go to Dashboard, click Security, and run the security scan. If this quick guide helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more Base44 tutorials and other simple software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.